We are doing subtraction chapter. We are completed workbook, children. Now today we are going to do activity book. Activity book also up to page number 31 is completed, children. Now today page number 32. Open your activity book, page number 32, children, and also take your pencil eraser. Look, children, page number 32. Solve the following 4-digit subtractions. So here, how many digits are here, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 4-digit numbers. So subtract, children. In subtractions, we are start from ones place digit. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How much? 3. Tens place digit. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 5. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. How much? 3. 7 minus 4. 3. 3,353 is the answer. Next one. 9,326 minus 3,125. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. How much? 1. 2 minus 2. Both the numbers are same. So 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 1. How much? 2. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 6,201. Next one. 6,582 minus 5,470. 2 minus 0. 2. 8 minus 7. Take 8 fingers. 7 cut off. How many are remaining? 1. 5 minus 4. 1. 6 minus 5. 1. 1,112. Next one. 4,367 minus 3,235. Ones place. 7 minus 5. Take 7 fingers. 5 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers. 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 3. Next. 3 minus 2. 1. 4 minus 3. 1. 1,132. The remaining 2 you will do homework, children. 9,800 minus 5,700. 8,615 minus 5,402. Now come to the next row, children. Do the following subtractions by borrowing. Look, 8,485 minus 3,217. 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So get borrow. Tens place. Have 8. So now 8 becomes 7. 5 becomes 15. Here we are borrowing 110 from tens place to ones place. So it will become 10 ones. 110 becomes 10 ones. 10 ones plus 5 ones, 15 ones. Now 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 15. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 8. 15 minus 7, 8. Next, 7 minus 1. Take 7 fingers, 1 cut off. How many are remaining? 6. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 5268 is the answer. Next one. 4361 minus 3754. 1 minus 4. Not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 4. Count 4 after up to 11. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 4 how much? 7. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 7, again not possible. Get borrow. 4 becomes 3, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 6. Next, 3 minus 3, 0. No need to write 0. 607 is the answer. Next one. 9624 minus 6876. 4 minus 6. Not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 6 how much children? 8. 1 minus 7 not possible. Now get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 11. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 7 how much? 4. 5 minus 8 not possible. Again get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 15. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much 15 minus 8? 7. 8 minus 6. Take 8 fingers, 6 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. 2748. Next one. 7223 minus 3582. 3 minus 2. Take 3 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 1. 2 minus 8. Not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 12. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 8 how much? 4. 1 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 7 becomes 6. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 11. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 5 how much? 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 3. 3641. Now the remaining 2 you will do homework children. 6567 minus 4869. 5862 minus 1934. Hope you will understand children. So do those 4 subtractions homework. These two are normal subtractions and these two are borrowing subtractions. Next, fill in the answers. One is done for you. So you have to fill these circles, children. So one is the example for you. Look here. In the center circle, they are given one number, 2635. And here they given 1000. If you add these two numbers, then you will get this answer. 1000 plus 2635 is equal to 3635. Next, 4890 minus 2635 is equal to 2255. Like this, you should do the remaining 3, children. So look here, this one, 111 into or plus this one. This one look like this, children, plus. Okay, this is plus, not into. Next, 5321. So you should add these two numbers. Look here. Add ones place digits first. 1 plus 1, how much? 1 plus 1, 2. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 5, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. So, the addition of these two numbers is 8432. Next one. So, here 5321. Subtract from this number. We have to find out the number here. The answer is already given. If you add these two numbers, then you will get this answer. So add these two numbers, children. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 4, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6532 minus 5321 is equal to 1211. Okay. Check your answer, children. 2 minus 1, how much? 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, children. Now come to the remaining 2. Look here. 2143 plus 3232. Now add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 3. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 you already done. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 5375. Now 8956 minus 3232. Look here, 6 minus 2. Take 6 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 4. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. How much? 7. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5724. Next. Here you have to find out the number. This number plus this number is equal to 2143. If you want to find out this number, you will subtract 1364 from 2143. Okay, so write the numbers here. 2134 minus 1364. Okay, now do subtraction. This one 43 children, not 34. Look, 43, this one. So 3 minus 4, not possible na, get bar. 4 becomes 3, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4, how much? Count 4 after up to 13. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 4, 9. 3 minus 6, not possible. Again get borrow. 1 becomes 0. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 6, 7. 0 minus 3, not possible. Get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3. Take 10 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So, 779 is the answer. 779 plus 1364 is equal to 2143. Next, 3748 minus 1364. Look here, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 6, not possible. Get borrow. 7 becomes 6. This 6 becomes, sorry children. Look here, this 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6. If you confuse it like this, write the numbers here children. 1364. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 6, not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes, 7 becomes 6, 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 8. 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining there? 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2384. 2384 is the answer. Okay children. Next page we will continue in the next video children. So everyday do maths children and also learn tables very well. Write tables each one 3 times children. Up to 20 tables you have to learn.